Hey gang, this is Tyler with Shredshed Pickers, and if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe link below. We went to 3 garage sales over the weekend in Salt Lake City and Layton, Utah. We ended up finding about 18 to 20 Wii games that we bought for about $2 a piece. We found some Thomas the Trains with their tracks as well. Now these Thomas the Trains are a killer find. Anytime you find Thomas the Trains, especially with their tracks, clean them up and then post them. As soon as you post them, you end up getting offers. We sold these. We bought them for $10, ended up selling them for about $65 plus shipping on top. So a very good find anytime you're out there picking Thomas the Trains, Wii games, especially right now Wii games. So this first garage sale, my wife ended up finding most of the Wii games. As soon as we walked in, we went right to the back, knew pretty much what we were looking for because Wii games are selling really, really well right now. So while she was going through those Wii games, myself and my nephew ended up finding some helmets and goggles. You'll see that I also passed up on some VHS tapes that were brand new. I kind of really didn't know what I was doing with those. Never sold them before. Didn't know if VHS tapes and cassette tapes were worth anything. I found out later that they were. So I wanted you all to see what I missed on, and you won't miss it next time. So let us know in the comments section. If you have any questions, if you want to see any different videos, remember to like and subscribe. So right off the bat, Chandler ends up finding this really cool motorcycle helmet. Very unique. We didn't find any comps on that exact helmet, but helmets like that go for about $200-300 on eBay. The helmet was pretty scratched up, but I was just letting him know that that's what's going to drop the price. Me and Chandler's dad grew up as musicians, and we just noticed those little dollies with the wheels on them would have been nice when we were lugging that musical equipment around growing up. I saw all these tools throughout the garage sale. I really wanted to go through them, but there was a lot there, and I'm not used to selling them, so I passed.
Yeah.
How much are those things?
I'll do 2 for 5.
What if I bought like a lot of them? Would
That's
you know?
a deal. That's a deal. I was doing $3-4 a piece.
AJ wasn't having any deals today.
$10. $10. How about $6? That's good. That's good. You said 2 games for 5? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
This guy had a lot of video games, so we're just trying to look for the best ones that sell on eBay right now through the comps. It turns out that all these Wii games sell pretty good, so we took them.
$2 for $1.
2 for $1?
Yep.
For the VHS and these, you think?
Yep.
See what I'm talking about? 2 for $1. This guy had about 14 tapes. Not just VHSs, he had cassette tapes, video recorder tapes. I missed a big one here.
It's empty, but
I don't know. You want them all?
I'm thinking about all the unopened ones, yeah. Any unopened ones, the tapes, and... You said 2 for 5, right?
no.
Or 2 for $1? Oh, on the video games. We're gonna try. I'm gonna try to take probably what, these 4, all these that are unopened and unbroken, and then the video games.
You just
We're
want
still
the
looking
cassette
around.
tapes?
Yeah, the
Or do
cassette
you
tapes
want
and the
the,
VHSs. Yeah, I think these go for something.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Even though they don't have.
Yeah. So I buy them because when I do a VCR on eBay,
Yeah.
I'll put a tape with it.
This is actually the last garage sale we went to. The garage sale we went to before this one, there wasn't anything but a couple of gun locks that we bought for about 50 cents. But as soon as we walked up to this garage sale, I found these Thomas the Trains. These are from 2000. The ones we just got were from like 2003, 2004, but had the magnets on it. Yeah, these are a lot bigger. And they have on the trails,
Yes. Oh, like this whole bin? Is
The
that
whole
your
bin,
thing?
yeah.
The whole thing? $10 for all that.
The whole thing?
Yeah,
Cool.
and
Can we
I'll-
just keep it there and keep looking?
Yeah.
I'll probably
Yeah, go. I'll put it under here. You keep looking.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yep.
You little Harley guy. I wanted to get past this guy, but I ended up stopping, and I'm glad that I did because I saw Wii Sports. And like I said, Wii Sports, Wii Fit, sell immediately, so I grabbed them up fast. I noticed that these guys had a bunch of bins full of electronics and cords and chargers, but I've noticed that they had the same things on bulk.com, and I really didn't want to take a chance on these. Unopened. Some of them are unopened. That's nice. Wow. Hard to ship.
We didn't know about these. We were gonna ask
Yeah,
you on
okay.
these because they're loose.
Okay, so let's go with 25 with all the games.
But, okay.
Anything else?
Nope.
Okay. 35?
Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with us today while we were shredding these garage sales. Remember to click that subscribe button and visit our eBay store.